Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we have this delicious overnight oatmeal. This is my favorite prep thing to do, especially when we are about to start going to work. So if you guys are interested, then let's get started. So to get started, guys, we are going to first wash our blackberries. And before I do that, I'm going to add in some vinegar in my water. And these are my blackberries, and I'm just going to pour them in there. So you want to soak them for about 5 minutes because we want to make sure that, all the bugs are out. So next, I'm going to show you guys the next fruit that I'm using, which is peaches. So out of the bag, I only took about 2 peaches and I already washed them. And then next, we are going to go ahead and start dicing them. For the dicing size, you just want to go ahead and dice them according to the bite size you want. So now that we are done, guys, we are going to go ahead and start prepping. So the first thing that I'm going to start as my base is going to be my peaches. And then after that, we are going to go ahead and add in a half cup of old-fashioned oatmeal, a half cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. And then we are going to go ahead and mix everything together. So this is my first variation. So after giving it a good mix, we are going to go ahead and add in some blackberries. And this is going to be about 5 to 6 pieces of blackberries. The next thing that I'm going to add in is going to be some flaxseed, and this is optional, guys. Then after that, we are done with the first variation. So I'm making about 3 kinds of variation. So I went ahead and added a lid, and we're going to move on to the next part, which is basically going to have the oatmeal and the milk already. And I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of yogurt, and then some peanut butter, which is about 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, and then we're going to sprinkle in some cinnamon, and then adding in some peaches. So on this one, I did not add any peaches at the bottom. And then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So this is my last variation. So I already add my oatmeal already and my milk, and I'm adding in 4 teaspoons of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we're going to add in some dried up cranberries, as well as some peaches on top and some blackberries. So guys, we are done, and that's how they look like. So for the peanut butter, a lot of people in my house don't like peanut butter. That's the reason why I had one without peanut butter. So I just want to say thank you for those who are watching, for those who are subscribing. I hope you guys like this kind of videos, and let me know what you think. So over here, guys, I am just adding some lids on top. So guys, this overnight oatmeal should last about 5 days or so. So we have reached the end. I'm definitely going to leave everything that I use in this video in the description below. And I just want to say thank you for those who are watching, for those who are subscribing. I'll definitely see you next time when I make something new. Bon appetit. Bye.